Next issue, will Measure E help us with street repairs? And the answer is yes, because it will provide us with the necessary revenue. So, as a reminder, we have a lot of infrastructure in this city, and it's very old. There are more than 1,000 lane miles of roads that we have to maintain. And our only sources of funding are the gas tax and our general fund, including Measure O. We have 650 miles of sidewalk to maintain in this city. Same funding sources, gas tax and general fund and or Measure O. And we have 70 miles of alleys to maintain, which we don't have a fund set aside for, but it would have to come out of general fund and or Measure O. And currently, there's nothing there for that. We need to improve our roads, and we have a plan and the ability to do it, but we need the funding in order to do it. Bottom line is we can't do it with the funds that we have now. So currently, our pavement condition index is in the low, very, very low 60s, and we're underfunded for road maintenance. That's the reality. And our goal is to get up to a 70 in terms of the report card, the pavement condition index, but that takes a lot more money. That's just a bottom line. If we don't have the revenue, our roads will continue to degrade. It's very straightforward.